Peace and love, African family, peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa versus VeganChoiceFoods.com family. So it's early in the morning, family. I just wake up. We have to head out to the hospital. Amesh just wake up. My wife is pregnant, about to give birth. As you know, as a Jamaican, I have to be in the kitchen. And Jamaicans, we like the kitchen as a man. Every now and then we'll be cooking up a storm in the kitchen, family. So I'm just gonna share with you guys what I do every morning. The kettle is boiling, the water is boiling hot. I'm gonna tell you what I'm doing, family, for me and for Amesh and for Miss Jam Tours family. So I have some coconut milk there boiling right there. I have some amaranth. That's the amaranth porridge family. With terere. Terere is actually greens. This is amaranth. This is so nutritious, family. As you know, amaranth is so nutritious for the kids. So many iron and minerals in this family. And as you know, guys, the body is made up of minerals, family. So I just want to show that to you while I go to have some. This is a mineral salt, family. If you're not taking this in the morning, I don't know what you're taking. Your body need that iodine, your body need those 82 minerals, just like the sea moss. But this is the mineral salt. Have a cucumber water, just put it to soak, family, right there. You're not drinking cucumber water. If you're not using pink salt, I don't know what kind of salt you've been using. You're using white processed salt, family. So this is the crystal, natural salt crystal. You can get the Celtic salt on VeganChoiceFoods.com. That's very good. As I can see, family, what it says, supply the body with natural energy, restore the body natural frequency pattern, balance, acid and alkaline imbalance, weakens addiction, and improves skin condition, help clearance of intestine, guys. A lot of person have intestine problem. Brushing the teeth with salt strengthened gums and wooden teeth. The bind solution to be used for eye nausea and infection and for inhalation, family. So as you can see, guys, this has as you can see, it says it has 84 life-giving minerals that will enhance your entire well-being. Sodium chloride, iodine, among others. It's like a whole food, like fruits, vegetable gains water, and has no side effect, family. As you can see, family, this is how you make it. I normally put mine in step 1, put it in water, allow it to settle, and you can drink it. I just put a little bit. I have my key lime here, family. Every morning I'll drink the key lime, so I just add a little to the key lime, stir it around, and that would be my tea, family. So, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna share this with you guys. This thing is boiling now. I have to blend out my thing. Tell Miss Jam Tours, she have Amesh right there, so I want to put this inside, family. Put it inside, family. Oh, I need a spoon, sweetie. Come quick, Miss Jam Tours. Come quick. This porridge I got lump up. Miss Jam Tours. Alright, let me just stir this, family, because it's me alone holding the camera. Miss Jam Tours just come help me out. She's gonna stir it. Amesh, come. Amesh is right there. Miss Jam Tours come.
Nobody spoil like this. And I wanted to tell you.
It won't spoil, sweetie.
It cannot work.
Just keep on stirring. Miss Jam Tours said I got spoiled, but I'm glad to keep on stirring. So why it spoil?
I normally return it to the blender and blend it together. So that
but you can do it like I return it now and blend it up. Seeing that Miss Jam Tours is the chef. Miss Jam Tours have to come and help Mr. Jam Tours in the kitchen out there.
It had already started.
Yeah, but I think that's a good idea to actually do it. You feel it will be thick enough?
Not sure. But it will because it doesn't boil.
Alright, so Amesh. Yeah, so this is what it looks like, family. Thick and rich. Gonna allow this to boil for like maybe 20 to 25 minutes. Then we'll get some porridge. Well, I did put a lot of the flour inside. Amesh, what is he doing there? Okay, family. So I have a pumpkin here, family. And how we do this, we're gonna cut this. Miss Jam Toes, hold this family. We cut this pumpkin. Yeah, we just watching this a little short for you to hold this family. I want to cut this pumpkin, family. I wonder if I can cut it. Let me cut it. Cut. Alright, let's do this. Yeah, just press it back, right? It's plain. Yeah, fam, so I want to cut this pumpkin. Normally we buy this pumpkin at the market. This pumpkin is a little tough. Rough and tough. I want to cut this pumpkin, family. Wow, this is what it looks like inside. How it look? Yeah.
Not bad, it's nice.
So we're gonna boil it. See, so normally I normally give this pumpkin to Amish family, and I will take the seed, boil it, blend it up, and make a nice tea. Eh?
I'm feeling tired.
You're feeling tired. Miss John Pro's feeling tired, family, so she got to go. As you know, she's heavily pregnant, and Amesh is right here. Amesh. Amesh. Yes. My Mr. Good morning. Mr. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to you. And how do you do? Good morning to you. Baby Amesh, the son of Africa. Mr. Africa. Mr. Africa. You're gonna change him now? Alright, go and make mommy change you. And you come back. Come back. Mr. Come back. Mr. Come back. Mr. Come back. Yeah, family. So let me actually, as I said, what I do with this pumpkin, family. I normally actually, pick the seed, boil it, blend it up, make a nice tea. I would add some stinging nettle, and sometimes I would add the olive oil, and I pack it up with cayenne pepper, family. Pack it up with cayenne pepper. It's so nice. It's so delicious. I wish I did have like a men health shop, so I could serve this to all the men for the prostate, family. This is good for the prostate, the pumpkin seed. So family, the porridge is here, and I need to stir it up. Let me add some fire. Let me add some earth, wind, and fire, family. Earth, wind, and fire. Let me add some fire to it. Fire that a must steal them think a cool breeze. Them think a cool breeze, family. Fire that a must steal them think a cool breeze. Alright, family, so what I'm gonna do right here now, I'll have to add some warm water to my morning tea. This is what I drink every morning for tea. Key lime, you want to get the key lime in your body, family. And you put the salt in it like that, and then you stir it up like this. You can taste it. You don't want to have too much salt in it, you just want to stir it around and make the salt melt out in it. Once you start to taste the salt, that's when you will actually remove it. Once you start to taste the salt, that's when you remove it, family. Alright, so I tasted the salt and I remove it, and let's put it back for tomorrow in the morning. I'll use it again. The mineral salt, the real salt. Cayenne pepper, family. This is the cayenne pepper I'll put in the pumpkin and blend it up. And I'll get my nice tea. I'll actually show you how I make it, family, in this vlog. So let's continue. Let's go. I'm going to pick out this pumpkin seed and cut up this pumpkin with the boil for Amesh. Show you how I make the food for him and stuff. Let's do this. Let's go.